now the barnyard is busy in a regular tizzy, and the obvious reason is because of the season. Ma Nature's lyrical with her yearly miracle. Spring, spring, spring.
All the hen folk are hatching while their men folk are scratching to ensure the survival of each brand new arrival. Each nest is twittering, they're all babysittering. Spring, spring, spring.
Why, it's a beehive of budding son and daughter life. Every family has plans in view.
Even down in the brook, the underwater life is forever blowing bubbles too.
Little skylarks are larking, see them all double parking,
Cuddled up